Hello everybody, this is Bronislava for HandMadeRukodelky, and as you see, today's video is going to be about making markers for our knitting and crocheting items, okay, when we're working on our projects. What you will need for these projects are rings, okay, and here I bought my a set of different sizes of my rings. You will need clasps, and I bought 2 sizes, and you will need also a pendant, okay? And in here you can go and see that I have various pendants that I already made. For this project, you also will need pliers, okay? And I will use 2 pliers, and these are the ones that we had at home, and they're kind of really ugly, but you can go and buy yourself a brand new. I didn't want to spend extra money for buying really pretty pliers for this video, so I'll just be using our old ugly pliers, and they will work just fine. For this video, I will use a small clasp, I will use this pendant, and I will use our medium size ring so you can see what I'm doing, okay? And as you see, I have one here with medium size ring. This one is smaller, which is this is the size, the second smallest size ring. And over here I have the tiniest ring, which is this one. Before we will start working on our marker with these 3 pieces, the pendant, clasp, and the ring, I just wanted to say that this marker, this pendant, starfish, came with a little pearl, okay? And what I did, I even separated them and made them into 2 pieces instead of 1 piece. Okay, so, and this is like so light, so it would be even great for very thin yarn. Okay, and this would be great for thick yarn. Okay, so let me now demonstrate how I made my markers. So I took one of my pliers, okay, and my ring, and I held it. There is a cut cut opening in here. Okay, so I held it with my pliers, with 1 pair of pliers. I took my second pair of pliers, okay, and I twisted it, so I open it up. So hold it tight, squeeze the handles very tight and open it up. Okay, you will open it up just like this. Okay, I think you can see it. Now you will go and take either one. You can take the clasp or the pendant and put it on your ring. Okay, and then the other one. It doesn't matter in which order you will go and put them in. Okay, then you will go and take your pliers, both of them again, and you will go and twist it back into the position where it was before. Again, so squeeze your handles tight and twist it back into position, and make sure that those ends meet, okay? So this end meets this end. If you have a little space in between, you can always hold your clasp and a pendant with your thumb and index and gently squeeze the ring. Don't squeeze it too tight, because you will go and deform the ring. Okay, and we're done with our marker. So this is how it looks when it's done. Now you can go and use your marker as a stitch marker, as I did with this one over here to show you, okay? You can also use it that you put it on your needle separate the stitches, okay, instead of marking your rows. And as you see, I also used those rings to separate my my stitches as well. Those rings, they work very well as markers as well to separate your stitches. So this is it for today, ladies and gentlemen. These are our nice and pretty markers. I have more in here. Look at this. I put them on a ring. You can, you know, there is in stores, you can go and find lots of different pendants and clasps, also different clasps, not necessarily these clasps, okay? And you can make a really pretty markers that you could use or even give away as gifts to your knitting or crocheting buddies. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching my videos, for commenting. I really absolutely love when you interact, and even when you go and give your own ideas about you know, about what I am doing, like if you have different experience, okay? And that's about it for today. So I guess you will see me another time.